is Tucker. You on?
Yep.
Tucker.
This is day what?
This is day, let's say, started Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, day 4. Complete paralysis, no control. Cannot support his weight.
Tucker.
My dog is a limp noodle. He's a limp noodle. All he can do is eat. We have to help him pee-pee. Come on, buddy. Let's try this. Try to hold your weight. Get up, get a front shot. Try to let him support his weight. See?
Tucker! Come on, buddy.
Support your weight.
He's in good spirits.
He's in good spirits. He's not in
No
any
pain.
He's not in any pain.
But he definitely can't stand up.
Now hold your head up. Here. Look alive.
Hey, buddy.
No, let go. He just no strength. Come on.
Oh, Tuck. Don't mess with those raccoons, bud. Raccoons, bad.
Oh, buddy.
Our little nosedive.
Oh.
Okay, we'll see the progress. He'll